The fox was brown. The fox was quick. The dog was brown. The dog was lazy. "You are a lazy dog," said the fox. "Yes, I am a lazy dog," said the dog. "Why are you a lazy dog?" asked the fox. "Why not?" asked the dog. "My owner feeds me. My owner takes me out for walks. My owner loves me. I eat. I go out for walks. I sleep. I'm a lazy, happy dog." "But don't you have any ambition?" asked the fox. "Ambition? Ambition to do what? I'm just a dog," said the dog. "Lassie was a dog. She saved people's lives," said the fox. "I'm too lazy to save people's lives," said the dog. "Let Lassie save people's lives."